Hey y'all, what is up? So I am back for another unboxing. I know nobody's asking for these, but I think they're a lot of fun and I enjoy filming them. So I'm taking you on this journey with me. After I purchased Pop Mart's Why So Serious collection, I kind of became obsessed with Twinkle Twinkle. I think he is just the cutest thing ever. Ever. And so I thought it would be just like a really fun, cool idea to purchase one of each Twinkle Twinkle blind box that Pop Mart currently offers. And I think it's gonna be really interesting versus buying like the full collection to see if we do get any of the rares, the ultra secrets, things like that. So yeah, we're gonna be doing that today. They came in early. This was my Christmas present from my fiance. So yeah, let's jump into it and do our first Twinkle Twinkle blind box. Now I know I said I bought one of each blind box, but I think I screwed up and I accidentally bought two of these ones. Which that's okay. We're gonna unbox them both. So this is the Sweet Dreams Forecast Twinkle Twinkle blind box, ladies and gents. And here goes number one. Okay, so I just looked at the tag so I know which one I've got here, but I'm gonna let you guys share in the excitement of the unknown. All right. Oh my god, this one's adorable. He's super plushy, almost like a rainbow sherbet color. His name is Afterglow Marshmallow, and this is fabulous. I love these ones so much, the little plush keychain guys. They call them pendants on there, but they are thebomb.com. Let's do the second one. Once again, I'm a menace and I looked at the tag, so I know who's in here. Ah! Oh my gosh, this one's really cute too. It's almost like a wool plush, and he is, apologies, flash warning. Flash warning. I'm really happy with these two scores, so, and eager to see what we pull in the next blind box, shall we? So the next one, I did only get one of course. That was the main goal. I don't know why I got two of the other one. That was purely accidental. We got Be a Little Star. This is another plush pendant blind box, and we're going to open that right now. Really excited for these ones. They looked super cute online. I liked all the designs. So like I'm not going to be disappointed with whatever I get here because I'm just Twinkle Twinkle obsessed now. Very much more so than Labubu's. I don't know. I don't know what it is about this guy. He stole my heart, okay? He's rad. What do we got? What do we got? Okay. Oh, he's so cute. I can't wait to see it. Ta-da! Oh, look at him. He's a little gentleman. Like his little stick. So this is Baby Ice Pop. He's got a like an ice pop stick. That's what it is. I was trying to figure that out for the life of me, but he is precious. My Twinkle Twinkle collection is going to be fabulous. So the next one we have is the Savor the Moment Twinkle Twinkle plush pendant blind box, which what's kind of interesting and different about this one is oh, there is a secret one. Okay, I only saw these guys on the back, but it looks like secrets over here. So there is a secret. Ratio is 1 in 6 for the usuals. Secret edition ratio is 1 in 72. So let's see what we get. Fingers crossed. Okay, so we got Sweet Cream. He is super cute. A little bit different, like on the cord here. Like this is really different and interesting. A lot smaller too. I thought these were really cute, kind of like baked goods themed. Absolutely love. I can't wait to see them like all lined up next to each other. I'm weird like that. So I guess I'm just kind of on a rampage here doing all the plush pendant blind boxes first. Let's go ahead and do this one next. For this one, we got the little yawn, and he is totally a vibe. This has been me all week. I'm actually kind of getting over being sick, and like I literally just spent the whole week sleeping. So this guy is me. This is me this week. I live. The next one I have is the We Are Twinkle Twinkle. This is a series figure, like a little figurine, and I haven't bought any of these ever before. So I'm really excited to see what they look like and which one I get. So let's see. So the figure that I got is called Waiting for You, and it's Twinkle Twinkle with his little letter, and it also came with like a cute mailbox. This is literally me every time I'm waiting on a Pop Mart package, or any package in general. Like I will just be a creep at my mailbox. What was neat about this figure too is the card. It looks like a little postcard, so that gave it a unique flair. So I'm doing another series figure here. This one is Twinkle Twinkle Be a Little Star, and I'm curious. We haven't gotten any rares yet. Not yet. I have high hopes though. I mean, there's like 13 total plus the extra one that I purchased on accident. There's gotta be a rare one in here. You feel? You know? Oh, this one's super freaking cute though. It's not a rare, but it's the teeter-totter one. It's got big Twinkle Twinkle and then two little babes. There's the tag. Adorbs. Like I said, you just can't get mad at any of these. I'm not going to be mad if I don't get a super secret or a secret because they're all fantastic. So this is the Savor the Moment Twinkle Twinkle series figure. Doing all these ones next. Let's take a look. So we scored Earl Teapot. This one came with like separate smoke that you have to insert into the hand and then the little teacup. He is adorable. This is also from the Savor the Moment collection. It looks like it is the Nightlight pendant box. So I'm really curious about this one. I think I have another one that lights up on the way too. So let's take a look. So we got the Macaroon Moment, and it looks like there is a little pull tab down here. So I'm going to pull it and see what happens. Okay, push to start. Oh, that's precious. So I have a little Christmas tree here at home, and I was like, I'm going to use all my new Twinkle Twinkle stuff to deck out my Christmas tree. So I will definitely post photos and a little short video, maybe at the end of this video, of my holiday Twinkle Twinkle display. This is the other one that lights up tonight. It is the Twinkle Twinkle Light Up series scene sets. These looked really cool. It's like a little scene. So I think I was most excited maybe for this one. Let's peep what's inside. So we got this Starry Wishing Well. Check it out. It's like in a little book, and there's also a pull tab at the bottom. So let's see how it looks. Oh, that's cute. Yeah, the little well lights up. And it's yellow. The whole scheme of this is yellow. That's my favorite color. So maybe that's also kind of partially why I really like Twinkle Twinkle. I gotta be quick. There's only 3 minutes left. These are like in little milk cartons. It is Twinkle Twinkle, Create Your Taste. I think they're like little sauce guys. These also looked like fun. Oh my god, you literally open it like a school milk carton. I haven't done that in probably a decade. I was wrong. These are not the sauce ones. My bad. I'm thinking of the other blind box. But this is Cookie, and he's super cute. I like how small he is. Shit, I was looking at the box, and some of them are sauces, but like there's 2 separate series, I think, and each separate series has 3 secrets, so that's really cool. This one's also in a milk carton. So for the separate mini series, I got Blueberry Bread. Blueberry Bread, he's cute. I like that color. We're nearing the end here. I have 2 blind boxes left. This is like a phone charm. So we scored the Happy Pommier for the phone tassel or charm. This is really cute. I love the colors. And it's like your classic Twinkle. Last but not least, I have the earphone blind box from Savor the Moment. And looks like we got Coffee Puppy for this one. I do love the star like tassel on top, and then there's a zipper to put your earphones in. So this will be very useful for me. Now, am I sad that I didn't get a single rare this time around? Absolutely not. And you know why I'm not? I'm going to show you. You want to see? Yeah. This is why I'm not sad. Because this thing is freaking huge. It's the best body pillow that a girl could ask for. I freaking love him, okay? This is my man's. He's my man's, and I am so happy with my Twinkle Twinkle loot, guys. So stick around. I will post a little video of everybody together, a group shot, and on my Christmas tree. Thanks so much for watching. I know, like, who wants to watch me unbox things, but it's fun for me, and I appreciate you being here. So, peace.
Bah humbug, that's too strong, 'cause it is my favorite holiday. But all this year's been a busy